What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 25TA08 remedy recall notice. Combination meter may go blank. Now, this recall is affecting more than 500,000 Toyota vehicles. And on today's video, I am going to talk to you about what's involved exactly in this recall. As you can see, it's just a simple software update. As you can see, the combination meter there is blank. That's what Toyota is saying. In certain scenarios, or under certain circumstances, the vehicle combination meter may go blank. And if that happens, that's going to increase the risk of a crash. So they have a new software update for the combination meter to help prevent that from happening. And as you can see, I just have a simple scan tool there, just doing a normal software update. And you can see some extension cords on the floor as well. Why? Because I need to connect a battery supply to the battery, because this update is going to take about 2 hours, and also have a power supply hooked up to the scan tool, so the scan tool doesn't die out in the update process. So one of the good thing is this recall pays well, but the bad thing is if I need one of these battery supply or chargers and it's being occupied by another technician in the shop and I have to wait 2 hours, well, that's going to increase the wait time for the customer. And during the update, they want us to disconnect the cooling fan, because if you try to update this while the cooling fan is plugged in, well, the cooling fan will run at high speeds and that will help deplete the battery even quicker, and they don't want that. So anything that's going to draw a load, we want it to disconnect. We want to disconnect it. So that's why they want us to disconnect the cooling fan. So this update is not difficult. It actually pays pretty well. So we enjoy doing it in the shop. So nothing too crazy. So you don't have to worry about your car being torn apart. But if you are scheduling to bring this recall in, just know that it takes about 2 hours of real time. And that's if you're doing no other service. And that's if the power supply or the scan tool is not being occupied by another technician. But if that is the case, you can expect an increased wait time. So that's all there is to it, guys. A simple update to update the combination meter. Pays about 2 hours. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.